예, 님도 생에 생겨 통화라니 와도 될래 아니 다시 될래 공감상 샘상 다다린 년도 치수요 안디 카인스나 다른 감도 오스트레일리아게 표현 capjo와 속바기 다다린 고난족이 로스치가 아니 파 겨울무지게 아니 중간견 뒤에 디 아니 다리 고난족 로스치 숭지치야리샤 아니 다다리 파게드와이 아니 감도 표박하시 감도 도스토버스 라이 아니 카시에단다 드네마 퇴사소 아테스트 제루테소 다단다 두유 아니 드네바 인도 림베체니 아니 사메시로나 라소 아니 라서 다들 가서 로봇 투서 다들 하나서 민다가 도시에서 가와들 지금 송다 따라쳐줘라 그래도 라 따라쳐줘라 아니 그런 유튜브 그런 채널 아니 디레 Chogyal Tsering I'm 그런 오스트레일리아기 다 유튜브 직 차기 요래 I'm share 가다 subscribe 나로나 다들 다들 같이 되게만 다 간다 말았지다 단다 시내래 믹스 subscribe 단다 네가 요마래가 단다 사와래 사와스네 다 로치 도도치기도 이네 디가랑에 믹스 년도 시고든데 계속 또 요마래 안디가래 아직 content yapıdo çıkar var peki yomarı mixi çeta hani sizi narna ale ya tadı bahçede doğuda oy Peter Yay
Good morning. The program's in the door. It's in the hall. We go to the kitchen. Into the Look, I've just put the heater on and the room is cold.
Good morning. Shop the leg. Good morning. Touch the leg.
Done a beautiful job.
And we are very honored we are celebrating 89th birthday of His Holiness Dalai Lama from Tibet and the world outside. The ADC would like to pay our obeisance and express our respect and gratitude to him. And we'll start our program with a prayer service by the Tyrant Institute Geshe-la. I would like to thank each and every one of you to be here today to celebrate such a great occasion. I also like to thank you, and we have a very special guest here today, Ms. Caroline, to represent the Dr. Saudi Daniel, the federal MP, federal Indian MP of our constitutions. Thank you very much for that. And so next we'll have, please, everyone, I would like to request everyone to stand up for the Tibetan and Australian national anthem. Australian Tibet Council and current board member of the Australian Tibet Council. He has been supporting Tibetan cause for about 40 years. And please share your thoughts on this event with us. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you all for gathering here and adored. Over the years, he's described himself as a simple Buddhist monk. And of course, in the tradition, he's far more than that, about Bodhisattva. But what became apparent to me as a young doctor experiencing Tibetan culture for the first time was that he embodied something far greater. He was a symbol of continuing Tibetan culture in the diaspora and a beacon of hope for the nation. A living embodiment not just of the Tibetan people's devotion, but also a reflection of their resilience and dedication to the future of Tibet and the continuation of Tibetan culture. Of course, His Holiness is not merely loved and respected within the Tibetan community, where exile his exile has meant that the whole world has been exposed to Tibetan culture and philosophy, so his impact extends far beyond the Himalayan region. The tragedy of Tibet's occupation has paradoxically resulted in the spread of Tibetan Buddhism and teachings across the world. So out of the tragedy of Tibet has come this extraordinary gift of Buddha Dharma and His Holiness as a gift to the world, and his advocacy for peace, compassion.
First of all, I would like to wish His Holiness Dalai Lama the 89th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So, Australian Tibet Council, founded in 1988, so it's been 36 years. One of the oldest and biggest Tibet support group in Australia. So, I'd just like to brief about the Australian Tibet Council. So Australian Tibet Council campaigns for the freedom and human rights of Tibetan. And our vision is a free Tibet, which Tibetans can determine their future and freely pursue their culture, political and economic development. And so I'd just like to share some of my experience with the ADC, so that people of my younger generation, they can also join ADC in the future to make this ADC more vibrant and cohesive like today. So when I came to Australia in 2008, so at the time, the Beijing Olympic was going on, and I have, as many of you have participated in the protest in Canberra, and at the time the ADC was one of the organizations who organized to protest against the Beijing Olympic because the human rights situation happening inside Tibet. So that's why the ADC have organized. So I participated there, and when I get there, I feel like it was like a China, like there's thousands and thousands of Chinese and red flags everywhere. So that makes me, actually, it was very difficult to, assess the situation, even though we're in Australia, but it's red flag everywhere. So it actually, when I reflect now, it encouraged me to do more for the Tibet cause. So that's why I've been continuously being active for the Tibet freedom in Australia. And then other memory that I have with the ADC is in 2009 we have something called very unique activity called meditation walk. So we've been wearing, I've been carrying the Tibetan flag at the front, and then we have some Australian friends who at the back, and we are walking throughout the city and with peacefully meditation walk, and then created a mandala in front of Melbourne Town Hall. So that was very beautiful, and it's still stuck in my mind, and then likewise ADC have organized seminars and conference in universities, and then organized. So ADC is, so I really like to thank you all of you joining today. And so this is, of course, we are celebrating His Holiness the Dalai Lama, also boost a bit of financial for the ADC to continue our support for Australia Tibet Council.
See, this is not just my life story, but there's many things involved. This kind of story can be helpful in dreaming. Almost I can never, I feel I'm Dalai Lama. Only personal. Sorry. Our approach are based on faith or superstition. Maybe occasionally superstition.
Time always moves. No force can stop that. I myself, you see, getting older and older. Lot of difficulties, lot of challenge, but I have no regret. Life should be meaningful life, purposeful life. That's important. 제가 교주인데 제 시기는 뭐 그치 그때부터 제가 조선으로 처리했을 때는 제가 교주인데 시시 교육이 때도 시시 말하게 되는 그런 상황을 야 내리 제가 대전파리가 참은 신망 대표가 네 답답시에서 쉬우니 나도 구주에는 구주들이 상다 소마다 가려도 또 강보디 천도지 마태죠 또 어떠시 소마다 대나저래 가다 시시들이 다 참아와 내가 제가 주시는 소리가 제가 상황을 담당하고 내가 또 중요하게 내 상황을 투시해서 쓰기 가다가 한번 되겠네 그전에 사전을 끼는 다 이제 자원이 명화세 시를 대하는 구다세를 다 하나는 불쌍해진 대로도 돼. 그 가능성은 구다세를 대세를 판도에 야석을 소스도 엔저를 지나다 그 가만 철철 로다 지기 지금의 그 대세의 상대 전부 불리를 상을 챙겨도 한다 나아보다 소실 실리자제는 상황을 가는 그리고 대우제수로 나왔을 수가 있니 나한테 쓰고 첨부 대마다가 있는데도 그 차이를 보고 시험 맞아 쓰고 대할 수 있는 상황이야. 또 효율세세 그것 때문에 쉬고 나신 시간이 인터넷 미세 쉬어져야 어려움한테 샤수인데 춤추고 세세 학원에는 좀 샤수지 또서 맞아요 좀 이내다 야 차이 가게면도 저도 상황을 그거 때문에 제가 지금의 사람마사를 수행하니 자원 중간간 배워서 싸로 난제시 남겨왔는데 생애 인물들이 심지어 천지셔가 왔네 도다 뭐뭐 말을 사사는 천지주의를 무기모 모델을 쓰시는 뭐였지 나는 딱새를 쓸수 있으니 후보보다 오늘 사모가 쓰신 대로 하는 시대지 후보처럼 사모가 그 구도 쓰시는 tunçesin şunuyla yandan manzo şaşanı yavrum bence çabuk şey yapıldı hatta size su ya tanrı şey yapıldı en sağlam ortada şaşırıyor nasıl hadi şurayı da adam oldu Chogyal Tsering 이치니 가다 그치나 정리 무부증이가 한도 강성시 가다 소음이 때문에 상대의 강성시 주요해 다도야 무부증이 때문에 상대 줍성시 우선다 제세 신수 계시고요 나도 지금 저거 여기는 상호로 전에 우리한테 기회가 되시는데 상호에는 너무 알아서 비비 부다처럼 실신 시작이 다행히 글쎄
자신의 배송 속에야 미약하고 대가쇼로 대리가시기 이모디 벤신자소라 미키네 자신의 배송 속에야 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear holy man. Happy birthday to you. Is it? Thank you. Birthday cake ceremony. I would like to ask Tibetan Mother School to perform a cultural Tibetan dance. Thank you. the